Entertainment, baby.
Let us sing music.
Alpha. Hey, Alpha. Oh, now good evening. I agree to that. Everybody now they look for every opportunity to make name, especially because the economy now, you know, we don't even know where the economy dey. Buhari just come, just use padlock, lock am, keep the key for your agbada. Say block everywhere, fix everything first. All our eye dey chook now. You know, different approaches to the promised land. I see Shego Arinze. How you doing, boss? Good to see you back. Last time I saw you was when we were campaigning for Jonathan. I see Paulo Basile. Camera, show Paulo Basile. Show him. You know, say the time when you talk to art film, this generation, they never they watch that time, so I want me to know. Camera, show Paulo Basile. This is Nollywood shouting actor. That time when they campaign for Jonathan, Paulo Basile go get up like this. That, you know that Timmy song? We are wanting. And Paul they shout pass. As Jonathan lose, as Jonathan lose, all of us they call each other hello, not true. We shocked. So you see, everybody don't step up their game or hustling now. See, Ike Ogbonna and Aduni, they want the MC now. They are coming to our territory. Everybody they hustle. I don't blame them. Anyone you try, he enter. So far it's legit, it's fine. You know? The biggest loss for me this year was when I lost my mom. Yeah. Can say that again. She was not sick. She just come visit me. We had a good time. Travel. I was young, 58. Yeah. She just slump. I asked God, say, why? My mama. No? Just die. People like Paulo Basile still dey. Mama just. Because a very good Christian woman. You know, people like Paul suppose go. Shego Arinze, Charlie Boy, even Ali Baba. I say, well, God knows best. She lived a very good life, so she write her exam, quick finish. Don't say if you know book, you do quick finish. Ask for extra sheet, all right, go. Now wait till they console myself. Be that. The only problem is say, thank you. The only problem is say, as a very good Christian woman, you know, you get the things why not they tell her. So I know say she die. You know, say when you die, turn spirit, you didn't know everything. They everywhere. She go the shock, say, what? What? That time when she died alive, I feel dodge, go misbehave, some kind misbehave. Now I can't misbehave anymore. By your day they won't misbehave, you don't appear. Psst, psst, get up. Put on your clothes. Go and meet your wife. So thank you. Thank you. Before I proceed, I just see something and I must address it for the first time. You know, I must address it. One of my favorite people, she's right here. I saw, you know, Kosi Ojako. You mean the world to me. I appeared in my dreams several times. Wow. Do that again, baby. Correct. You know when an area is very big, you they need GPS to locate. Oh, baby, where's your nipple? Take Google map. Please move left. Take next turn right. You have reached your destination.